How to play the multiplayer in Bonelab Quest 2. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'll guide you on how to play multiplayer in Bonelab on the Meta Quest 2. It is a quite straightforward process, so let's get started. First thing first, make sure Bonelab is installed on your Meta Quest 2, since you'll need the base game to access the multiplayer features. Next, you'll need to get the multiplayer mode. Here's how. First of all, open any of your preferred browser and search for Bonelab MetaQuest 2 multiplayer mode. Look for the trusted sources that provide multiplayer modes for Bonelab. Take your time to review these options and choose a mod that actually suits your preferences. Ensure it is from a reliable source to avoid any compatibility or security issues. Once that is done, you have to download the mod from the multiplayer trusted source and follow the installation instruction provided by the mod creator. After successfully installing the multiplayer mode, you will be ready to enjoy the multiplayer gameplay on your MetaQuest 2. And that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.